morning, my dear students. So today in our math session we are going to see the question number 2 of workbook, which is on page number 14. So today we are going to discuss the question number 2, which is find the areas of the following regions in terms of square units, and in bracket the hint is given as by counting number of the squares. So dear students, we have been given here three number of the figures. In these three figures we have to find the area. So here simply we have to count the number of the squares, and as per that the squares which are given in these certain number of the figures, we have to write the area. The boxes which are given in these figures is of having 1 centimeter from all the sides. So we have to count the number of squares and we have to add the area. Like here in first figure there are 4 squares given. It means these 4 squares are of same length, which is of 1 centimeter. So in first figure there are 4 number of the squares, 1 2 3 4. तो यहाँ पर जब 1 सेंटीमीटर के 4 बॉक्सेस हो रहे हैं तो एज पर द फॉर्मूला ऑफ एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर इस फिगर की एरिया होगी 1 into 4 centimeter, it is 4 centimeter, and don't forget to write the square on the top of the centimeter. It means first figure की जो एरिया है it is 4 centimeter square. Now we are going to count the number of square in second figure. So here it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. So जितने number of the squares है उतनी ही उसकी एरिया हो जाएगी. So in our column of answer we'll write 13 centimeter square. Dear students, first figure की जो आंसर आया that is 4 centimeter square इस फिगर की एरिया थी. सेकंड फिगर के अंदर जो आंसर आया that means इस फिगर की एरिया है 13 centimeter square. In our third answer we'll again count the number of the squares. Here it is given as 1 2 3 4 5 6. It means इस फिगर की एरिया जो होगी वो होगी 6 centimeter square. Let us come to our downside question, which is question number 3, जिसका क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है find the area of each of the following regions. Again यहाँ पर भी हमें एरिया काउंट करनी है, बट वेट, इन फिगर्स के अंदर कुछ शेप्स ऐसे हैं जो कि हाफ स्क्वायर है, जैसे कि ये है, ये हमें दिया हुआ है, इसमें दिया हुआ है एंड इसमें दिया हुआ है. तो अगर कोई स्क्वायर हमें हाफ दिया हुआ है तो उसे हम फुल नहीं बट हाफ काउंट करेंगे. लाइक इन दिस फिगर फर्स्ट के अंदर यहाँ पर 2 नंबर ऑफ द स्क्वायर्स ही सिर्फ फुल है, यानी कि पूरे है 1 and 2, एंड दीज 1 2 3 and 4 आर हाफ. So we'll write half, 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 half. So here 2 number of the full squares are there. It means 2 centimeter, and 4 number of the half squares are there. So 4 into 1 upon 2 is equals to 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4 centimeter square is the area of this figure. Now again come to the next question. ये half है, ये half है, this is half and this is half, and these all are full. 1 2 3 4 5 6. It means 6 times full and 1 2 3 4 4 times half. तो जो 4 times half है उसकी वैल्यू होगी 2 सेंटीमीटर, जो 6 times full है उसकी वैल्यू होगी 6 सेंटीमीटर. It means 6 plus 2 is 8 centimeter square is this figure's answer. Again come to the third figure जिसके अंदर 2 number of the half squares है and 3 number of the full squares है 1, 2 and 3. So here we'll write 3 number of the full, the value is 3, and 2 number of half, the value is 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4 centimeter square. So this figure's answer is 4 centimeter square. नीचे जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 दिया हुआ है उसका टॉपिक है फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रेक्टेंगल्स बाय ड्राइंग यूनिट स्क्वायर्स इन देम. यहाँ पर 2 रेक्टेंगल्स हमें दिए हुए हैं, नंबर 1 एंड नंबर 2. इनकी एरिया हमें फाइंड करनी है, बट वेट, यहाँ दिया हुआ है कि इन फिगर्स के अंदर हमें यूनिट स्क्वायर ड्रॉ करने हैं. इट मीन्स 1 सेंटीमीटर के छोटे छोटे स्क्वायर्स ड्रॉ करने हैं. तो जब इसके अंदर हम स्क्वायर्स ड्रॉ करेंगे, इसकी मेथड होगी, एक सीधी लाइन हम बनाएंगे ऐसे 1, 2, 3 एंड 4 टाइम्स. इट मीन्स यहाँ पर 1 सेंटीमीटर की स्क्वायर्स बनाने के लिए अब इसी तरह से ये जो लाइंस हमने बनाई ये है वर्टिकल यानी कि स्टैंडिंग. स्टार्ट टू ड्रॉ the horizontal lines as 1, 2 and 3. So here these lines are known as horizontal. तो इस फिगर के अंदर नंबर ऑफ स्क्वायर्स हुए 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So the answer of this figure is 20 centimeter square. Let us come to our second question. इसके अंदर 3 lines draw होगी 1 and 2. These are vertical while these are 1, 2. So let us count the number of squares are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer of this figure is 9 centimeter square. So let us see our fifth question, which is again the write the area in square units which is given in the bracket of the following figures. Again in this figure, students, we have to count the number of the squares. So I'm counting the number of the squares as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this figure we'll not count all the squares, but instead of doing this we'll do the multiplication of this 5 and this 6. So 5 into 6 is equals to 30, and we have to write here the answer as 30 centimeter square. Again in this figure also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll do the multiplication of 5 into 6 is 30 centimeter square. So the correct answer for this figure is 30 centimeter square. So dear students, you have to write this exercise of page number 14, which we have done the 4 question answers in your workbook. So thank you for watching the video. Have a very nice day.